it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a side dish recipe for you. I feel like a side salad just doesn't cut it for me in the winter, but a good like roasted potatoes or roasted veggies is always my first choice. So today we are making just super simple garlic roasted potatoes. These, like I said, are simple, but they taste so amazing and they just go so well with so many different things. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the recipe, so let's get into it. Also, I have to mention, if you guys are looking for other amazing vegan side dish recipes, there are tons of them in my cookbook, Libby's Vegan on a Budget. It is a bestseller on Amazon. You can get it at bookstores around the world. You can get it on Amazon for those of you who can't find it in stores. So definitely check it out if you are looking for another vegan cookbook to add into your collection. Okay guys, these are seriously my new obsession. They're so good. There isn't really too much to say about them. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone knows what garlic potatoes are like, but Greg, do you want to try one? Yeah. The bacon dipping sauce is good, but you can't beat ketchup either. It's just like ketchup's the best.
Number one.
They're so delicious. Hope you guys love this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Pinky up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Stealing all your food.
Hazel, do you want one? She's like, I'm not allowed. So good, man.